Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Golf TSI, stock reference number 4474. This shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a CBC Zed 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an NBA automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CBC Zed 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.